Me and Braden are out here on a nature walk.
You can tell that that's a rock over there.
Because of the way it is.
Tell it's a rock because of the way it is.
Oh, look! Neato!
Oh
It's a
my-
tree!
Is that a bald eagle? Oh man, too bad the camera couldn't see it.
Dang it. Oh, look, it's a bear!
Oh man, a grizzly!
Oh!
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh my God! There.
Whoa.
Shoot it! Shoot it with your BB gun!
Oh dang, man, it's got away, it's got away. Here, put the camera where it was, it's just right up there. Wow.
Right on that rock.
If only you guys could have seen that, wow. It's crazy, man.
Oh, look, it's a bald eagle's nest.
Oh my freak. Bald eagle's asleep.
Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it. Dang it.
Oh, is that running water out here?
What? What?
Oh my, point the camera down there.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, let's take the camera down south.
See if we can find ourselves a fish. These waters are known for its fishing. Oh my gosh, Braden, why'd you make me drop the camera?
Dang it.
Looks like it's still working locally. Gone.
The training villagers, as they say in the books.
Now let's get out of here.